Happy Aloha Saturday to Emoneyshoes family. As you can see, I still sound a little bit stuffy trying to get rid of this gangus. But like they always say, you got to stay on your feet so you can cop that heat. And this is another steal. So aka Mr. Steals, Mr. Discount is back in effect. Shout out to everyone who's been subscribing to and joining the E-Money family, the Ohana. We need 30 more to hit that 1,300 by the end of the month. But like I said, we fall short. It's all good. I just appreciate all the love and support. People leaving comments, thumbs up, all of that good stuff, telling me what they like, what they don't like. I really, really appreciate the feedback. We got a break on this week for the Bring the Pain podcast. We should get those notification bells ready because we will be back in effect soon. Go check out the fam, your boy Alias, Pain 82, Monolithic Kicks channel. Each one of them has something different on their channel. Also, if you need to hit me up, you can hit me up on IG, E_money_shoes, if you have any questions. Now, further ado, let's jump right into this review. This shoe just came out, I think this month actually. It's already went on sale. The Kyrie 5, size 11, because these things run tight, narrow, whatever you want to call it. Multicolor, metallic silver, 130 of them things. Or so I thought. Then you got the receipt seats. Just gonna show you this deal right here. $99. Check it out. Multi 130, 79.99. That's what I'm talking about. Deals on top of deals on top of deals. You guys know I like it. Like I said, I like these Kyries. These are the third eye edition. They're multicolored. It is actually the third drop of the Kyries this year. So take a step back so you just get that view. Let it just hit it a little bit. These are very interesting shoes. Look at the bottom, all white. Kyrie actually designed this bottom himself for better grip and better traction on this shoe. You actually got zoom in the forefoot of this shoe. As you can see, got the details established. 1992, that's when he was born. Then you get all these different colors. This one only has one peak, because you know the other Kyries have multiple peaks. It's interesting. Most of Kyrie shoes don't have much leather. It's always normally like nylon and mesh. So instead of H&H on the front, hungry and humble, change it up there. Then you got your mesh material here. You got this Venus fly trap with multicolors here. This interesting lace system. Kind of a pain to do a lace swap, but you can do because you got the fly wire right here that cinches it in. You got also Kyrie Irving here, his signature. Kyrie Irving here with a little bit of leather here on the tongue. Come around on the side. Like I said, zoom air right here in the forefoot. Then you got the metallic here on the swoosh. You got blue laces coming around on the back. You got the Roman numeral 5 on the back. You got the all seeing eye. Some people agree to disagree with that shoe, that part of the shoe, but it's all G with me. I ain't worried about all that stuff. Then you got like this, like a white, more like a sail white, I think, in my opinion, on this shoe. On this side, you normally have a little bit more detail. You only have just BU and all that other stuff. Let me see. Inside the shoe, you got Kyrie Irving. Actually, on the media side on this shoe, he got Azuri. That's the birth date of his daughter. Then you got engineered to the exact specifications of Kyrie Irving. I don't think he has Elizabeth on this shoe unless I missed it, which you know is a tribute to his mother. So all in all, I think this is a pretty clean and pretty dope shoe, especially for the price. You guys let me know what you think. Let's see the production date on these joints. Production date is 6/5 18 to 18. So like I said, fairly new. I know this shoe just dropped within the mall and they already went on sale. Shout out to peeps at Foot Action. Walked in, grabbed my daughter. Here we go with the sales. Deals, you know I can't pass them up. But I think it's a very, very dope shoe. On the little lit meter, I guess it's about a 4.2 out of 5. 4.2 out of 5. Definitely unique, nothing spectacular, but a clean shoe in my opinion. So like I said, you let me know in the comment suggestion below, what do you think about the shoe, about the price, would you cop, no look past. I think I got 1 or 2 more shoes to drop. Drop that top 5 or top 10 or whatever type video I'm gonna drop, and then I should be done for the year. Like I said, get that notification bell ready for the Bring the Pain podcast. In addition to that, tell a family member or friend, subscribe to Emoneyshoes, support, and all this good stuff we're going to try to do in 2019. We can chop it up and have a great year. Thanks for the support. It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.
It's the South's favorite mixtape supplier. DJ Low is in the building.
Bitch, I'm rockin' chain like a field nigga. How the fuck you real nigga, squeal nigga? Roll that pressure up and pop a seal nigga. Come that baby girl, I'm tryna build with. Heard you getting money, how I feel nigga.